Belinda Fremouw, President of Passionate Project Management, where we're passionate about your success. Today's topic will be the 3 categories of communication: interactive, push, and pull. We'll start with interactive communication first. That's real time, meaning back and forth. We can hear each other, we can see each other, we can get all that communication out of the way that sometimes is more than just what's conveyed verbally, body language, tone, etc. So interactive, obviously as a project manager, if you have any type of a sensitive issue, you need something urgently, something that just would better not be put in email, you would use an interactive approach. Every time you have your meetings, conference calls, those would be considered interactive communication. Push communication means that we are sending the information to the receiver. We don't know how it was interpreted. We know they received it, we know they have it, but we don't know how it was interpreted. And I'm sure you've all had that email that either you've sent and you're like, oh man, I shouldn't have sent that, or maybe you received an email and you're like, man, I don't understand his or her tone in this, or what are they really saying? So push communication we want to use for information that they need, but it's not sensitive, it's not urgent, you don't need an immediate response. If you need an immediate response or it's sensitive, you would use interactive. Most common form of push communication, as I was just mentioning, is email. Texting is also push communication. Okay? Leaving a voicemail, push communication. Okay? Third category is pull communication. And pull is actually from the receiver's perspective. In pull communication, as the sender, we are placing the information out into a secondary location, and the receiver would be responsible for going out and retrieving that information. So for example, you put it on a network directory, knowledge repository, website, a bulletin board. That would all be considered pull communication because the recipient would have to actually go and retrieve that information themselves proactively. Obviously, we would only use pull communication for things that are FYIs. Like, yeah, if they see it, great. If they don't see it, that's fine too. So interactive, real time. Push, delivering it, not sure how it's received. Pull, putting it out there in that secondary location. I hope you learned something today about the 3 different categories of communication: interactive, push, and pull. I love your comments, so leave me one. If you need further information, please check out our website. We've got a lot of resources on there, www.passionatepm.com. Again, I'm Belinda Fremouw. Have a great day.